Hi, my name is JC Banks. I am the officiant and co-owner of WebWed.
Hi, I am Bonita and I work in operations here at WebWed.
So I wanted to come to you because I have been noticing some things and getting some important phone calls from the government about different sources giving information out on YouTube, and you guys are listening and it's not correct. So I want you to come and set the record straight. Unless you are an attorney, you're working for immigration or the embassy, then you should not be listening to information coming from any of those individuals. It's okay to tell you about their experience, but everyone information is different. Here at WebWed, we do not get involved in immigration, citizenship, or travel. So if you have any questions as it relates to that, as aforementioned, you want to speak to an immigration attorney or the embassy itself, or go to your local consulate office, please stop getting information from people on YouTube, and this is not their profession. We have been doing this since 2015. I'm a lawyer, even though I'm not practicing and giving legal advice as it relates to WebWed. At WebWed, we do traditional marriages remotely, and also we're in 7 different states and different countries, so we just don't get the license from one state. That is very important when it comes to certain processes. So if you have any questions about WebWed, about the process, please come to us directly. You can find that information here on our page or info@webwedmobile.com, or give us a call at 1-855-932-9333, or contact me, JC, directly on my WhatsApp, USA code 702-319-1000. So Bonita, what are some questions that we get a lot that we can help our viewers with? So what type of questions do you get a lot?
So, one of the main questions that we get are, if I am in Jamaica, can I marry someone that is in the United States?
And that is a yes. You don't have to be a U.S. citizen, but you have to meet the qualifications. What are the qualifications? We call them the big 5. First, you must be 18 years or older. All right. You must be in sound mind, wanting to get married on your own free will. You can be a U.S. or non-U.S. citizen. You must have valid government issue ID, and you must have access to a mobile device with internet. So those are the qualifications.
Okay, so another question we get a lot is,
we get a lot of questions.
we get so many questions.
One of the biggest questions is that, can we use this for immigration, citizenship, or travel?
Yes.
Yes, you can. However, that process is totally different. People think, oh, I just can get married and I'm automatically going to get through. That is not the case. They have a lot of different requirements. Some of the requirements is that you may have had to met with that person in that country before, or proof your relationship. This is why we don't get involved in a process. However, our marriages are completely legal. They can be verified and authenticated, and we can provide authentication letters. Again, this process may be easy. Don't make the mistakes of the tons of people that think, oh, I can do it myself. If it was that easy, then I wouldn't have a patent or a law degree. So believe me, it's a very tedious process, and we take a fastidious approach to make sure that everything is done legally. So let's see. Another question that I see or get all the time is the different packages. So if you have your on to the officiant package, which is $3.99. If you and your partner are together and in the state that you're getting married in, that's when you can get the $3.99 package. Now, U.S. package, if you both have valid government issue IDs from the U.S., then you can get the U.S. packages. The packages are based on your documents, not by your location. International package, if one of you is international, have an international ID, then you have to get that international package. Piggyback U.S. package $5.99, international package $8.99. Now, if you are using the services for immigration, citizenship, or travel, then the apostille is $4.25. It's not one of those things that you can do yourself. It's steps and layers. We have to go through a lot to be able to do. Our office in DC is heavily involved in that process as well. Yes, as stated before, we have 7 different offices. Don't get caught up and think we just get it from one state. That is definitely not the case. Let's see. Also, we get this a lot about the videos. Yes, everything that we do is private and secure. That is the difference from using Zoom or Facebook or any of those social platforms. All great platforms, but this platform was built specifically for what we do. Everything is private and secure. Now, even though we give you the video to share for your special moment, WebWeb actually owns all the content, okay? So you want to review all our policy and procedures. In order to be able to post or do anything, you want to make sure that you're clearing everything with us to make sure there's no type of infringement. Last is that people always ask, what's the ceremony going to be like? I try to make sure that you have an experience. It's a special moment. You can do vows, you can do rings. A lot of times we have people to sing or do a lot of different things. Now we have people that do vow renewals. And most people don't know that we do have a $1 option. Yes, I said a $1 option. That's a special moment. So if you want to stream your moment privately and securely, I'm going to say this again, privately and securely, because you're going to say, what's the difference from Zoom and Facebook and different things? All great platforms, but there are different platforms that where you don't own that information or it's not private and secure, and that's the difference. We have built this from the ground up. So for $1, you can stream your special moment to your family and friends. What's another good question you think?
So another question, what is a special moment?
Oh my goodness, special moment could be anything that you think is special, honestly.
So a baby shower,
vow renewals, proposals. We just do a lot. That's what we consider a special moment, and it is private. It's a self-service for $1. Apostille. People ask about that all the time.
That's a big one.
I like to give this example. If I'm getting a job as an attorney and they say, hey, I want to see your transcripts, then I have to go to the registrar's office. They have to send those sealed. So this is a sealed document with about 3 signatures that goes through 3 different hands, sometimes different states. So that's why that is so important. Can someone else officiate the ceremony? That's a tricky question. So I try to allow, if you have someone special that would like to officiate the ceremony or help out or do a dual officiation, then I make that happen. However, the officiants here are either attorneys or been in seminary school. So there's a high qualification to officiate the ceremonies, and you have to be on ground. So any other questions?
One more question. When I register on the app and I put in my date, is that my wedding date?
Oh my God, no. So let me also say this. A lot of people I'll see this wrong. I see this. Please, in this process, it's very important to read. Please read. So in the app, you're only going to do a pre-registration. In that pre-registration, remember I said everything we do is private and secure. So your date of birth is going to be 1 day off. Also, the date that you put your event is the preferred date. 9 times out of 10, you're going to get that date. It's the time that we have to work out. So we like to be proactive and know that time. So that's pre-registration. Everything that you do, you're going to get it in a secure link so that your information is not on the app. So you don't do anything in the app but register, and then we have the ceremony in the app if applicable. So again, my name is JC Banks with WebWed.
And my name is Bonita with WebWed.
So if you have any other questions or concerns, please feel free to give us a call. And remember, if you didn't get the information on WebWed, please don't believe it. We are the first. I hold a patent. I truly believe that marriage is a constitutional right. We are the reasons that online wedding exists today. When there wasn't a pandemic in 2012, I thought about this. And my husband and I did this because we believed in it. We believe marriage is a constitutional right, and love is when your Wi-Fi connects. So thank you so much. Stay tuned. I'm going to be coming to you with more videos answering more questions. Sorry. Listen, we're real people. We fumble too as well. So thank you so much. I have a ceremony to do. Anything else to add?
That's all. We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.